Hey coaches, course creator, and consultant. Do you ever feel stuck about posting on social media? Have you ever staring at the blank screen and don't know what to do? If this is you, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Vanessa Choi, your marketing strategist and funnel creator. In this video, I am going to show you how you can generate and also schedule your 1 week's content using super simple tools. So nothing fancy, just follow me step by step. Let's start small and we're gonna aim for 5 days content here. Without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, now the first step, we're gonna use ChatGPT or any other AI tools that you're using. It can be your free ChatGPT, or you can use your Perplexity/Comac, or if you got Claude, you can also use that as well. So it depends on what currently you're using. So any AI tool will do. So first of all, I will actually ask ChatGPT to generate 5 post idea for me. So for example, and I'm going to share this with you, and I want to do a LinkedIn post to promote your product. So in this case, I want to promote my funnel in a week. So I will just say funnel in a week, and I am going to attach the link to the ChatGPT as well, so that ChatGPT will be able to scan through the page before giving me the suggestion. So I want to do LinkedIn posts to promote funnel in a week. I want to generate 5 posts. So it's very clear, 5 posts. I want to promote the offer in different angles. Because it is like a 5 posts, I want every day will be different, because otherwise we'll be like doing like in a loop. So you talk about the same thing but with different angles, so people won't get bored. And sometimes one angle might resonate with some people, but the other angle might resonate for another group of people. So it is good to actually do in different angles, and I also do it for different industry. My aim is to cover no matter what industry you are in, you still need you still need a sales funnel in your business. Please make 3 of them educational pieces out of the 5 posts. So I don't want all 5 posts about selling. So out of the 5 posts, I want it like make it 3 more educational so people will understand. Because sometimes with funnel, in the coaching industry, coaches, course creator, or even consultant, and it sounds very common, natural, people know about what funnel is, but looks like in the local business world or in the corporate world, they don't really understand the funnel, the sales funnel. So it is more like an education piece as well, to teach them what this funnel is about. Why do you need a funnel? And yes, you do need a funnel in your business. Okay, so in this case, I am doing LinkedIn posts, but you feel free to change it to Facebook posts, Instagram posts, or with TikTok. So it depends on your audience and also the platform. So I'm going to place it here, and I will also give in the link, because I already got a sales page here. So definitely I'll put in the link. Or if you don't have a funnel like a live page, what you can do is you can screenshot the things that you like similar to things that you want to post, then attach the image to the ChatGPT, like here, attach the image, and then just say that you want something similar, or this is the things that I am after, can you do a post for me like similar to this? And then okay, I will just put the link here, and the link is okay, and then just do generate. And at the moment I'm just using the 5, because sometimes if I'm doing like a deeper work, I don't mind using the thinking. It's actually say things longer for better answer, but for the purpose of this exercise, I think the 5 will do. So already generated 5 posts for me, 3 being educational. So it's actually say educational pieces, post 1 to 3. So maybe I will do post 1, and then go to post 4, and then 2, 5, like that, and then number 3. So, okay, make them short enough for LinkedIn. Yes, this is very good because I actually missed that. So if you know the limit of each of the platform or the word count, what you can do is you can post it there as well, or you can ask ChatGPT to be mindful of the length. Okay, so let's look at this. All industry, your website isn't a funnel, and that's why it's not converting. Okay, it's actually telling people why. Okay, and then education will be especially for professional services, lawyers, accountants, and consultants. Excellent. And then the third one, educational brick and mortar business and the local businesses. So that's what I have hoped for. So target different businesses, target different industries. So exactly what I wanted. And then post 4 with story transformation angle. Okay, and then perspective shift, 5 posts. Okay, would you like me to format this into LinkedIn native carousels for the 3 educational one? Probably at this point I won't do that, but I will just do it in 5 separate posts. And then after that I will ask ChatGPT to do a carousel for me for the 3 educational posts. The reason being, not everybody will look at your post every single day. So some of them people might skip, some of them people don't even see it. So you want to catch like people in the different sort of algorithm. I don't know how the post comes up. So I want to cover the most. So after that, if people don't see my individual posts, at least they can see the 3 educational pieces. Okay, so next step, we're gonna pick a platform to schedule your social media posts. So when it comes to the platform, I'm using the white label of Go HighLevel. So I've got my own. It's called Simple Business Funnel. And if you're interested, happy for you to join the 14 days trial and see whether this is for you. And the reason why I like that, because it is an all-in-one platform. So no matter what I need, it's all on here. So I can host the unlimited website and I can host unlimited funnel. So I'm a funnel creator, so I like to do different tests. So I love using the funnels. If it's limit for me like 10 or 20, it's not enough. You won't understand for a funnel creator how many different pages I will need. And also I would like to do the testing for the customer as well. I will build it on my platform and then transfer it to the customer when they are completely happy about it. And also, because this is a all-in-one platform, I don't have to go to other scheduler for social media. So if you want, you can do it on the fly. But personally, if I got time, I will actually do it here just to pre-schedule. So I know that I don't have to come back to it every day. I don't have to count how many times I need to post this week. So I just find it very convenient for me. I do understand that some people like to use the native like post from Facebook, the reach might be more. But personally, I think I am just targeting people within my circle, and also Facebook reach is very low at the moment. That's what I find that, especially for the group. So I kind of just use the all-in-one platform. I just do my scheduling, it will do the job. So as you can see here, I connected 3 accounts. I only most active on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So usually my focus will be Facebook and Instagram, but because of this funnel in a week, so I would like to target local businesses as well. So I will need to do more posts on LinkedIn. So that is the reason why I would like to pre-schedule, so I don't have to worry about it. So as you can see, I have already pre-scheduled some of the posts here. Some I do both using the same one, but sometimes if I want to customize for each of the channel, so then I will use separate. For example, like Instagram, the format and the vibe is different, so I probably won't use the same post for Instagram. So for Instagram, I will create separate set of social media posts. Don't think it is like more work. It's just using different vibes, and also I probably will do more reels and stories, so I will do it directly on the phone rather than on desktop. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So and also because you have to add the music, I like to try different kind of music, so I would highly recommend that for Instagram. Focus on the reels and story at the moment, same as YouTube. Maybe do more shorts. You can actually edit your long version of YouTube and then cut into different shorts and then upload them. It's the reach, it's really high at the moment. Okay, so now once we confirm the platform, if you have already got like a scheduler, that is fine. You can definitely use it. I'm just showing you the workflow. Okay, so once the platform is confirmed, the next one you will want to generate the image based on your post. And usually I will go straight to Canva, and that is my go-to for visual. And I am also in Evelyn Vice PLR group, so it's called Secret Weapon. So basically I can resell the template, or I as it is, or I can change it and then resell it, or I can give it away for free. So in this case, I'm happy to share this with you. So this is the original file. The file that you will be getting, I'll be changing a little bit because I do not want everybody using the same template. So I'm going to make some changes and I'll share it with you. You can get this one down the link below. And so because the reason why I am using this, because it is generic and also it's suitable for all industry. You just need to change maybe the fonts and also the visual and the color to match your brand. Okay, so because I'm posting 5 days at the moment, so I just want to create the most simple post. Okay, nothing fancy. For example, if you look at my previous post, I actually used the actual funnel designed. You can see this is the actual funnel, so it does take time to actually build, but again, I want to mix and match with my post. So before, like this next week, I'm going to do more like a funnel design to show people what is funnel is about. So it's funnel heavy, like the pages. Okay, so you can see here, this is just the image. So again, mix and match. So the following week, and I'm doing the same promotion funnel in a week, what I would do is I would like to more educational, so that's why I'm gonna use this template to change it. So I am going to change, maybe just change this one first, and then I've got 5 posts, so I can get to choose which one I want to use. So again, pick the one that closest to your post, and that one you can actually do it more faster. And I will do the post and I'll come back.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I gotta
Okay, now I have completed 5 posts with the design, so it is very quick. Once you've got the base, like you don't have to create anything from scratch, so just plug and play your image and also your colors and your font. So in this case, I'm happy to use like generic images, so as long as it represent the industry, so I don't have to use my own photo. So now we are ready to post. So let's go back to the scheduling tool. So again, I'm going to use Simple Business Funnel. It's a white label of a HighLevel. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to do like a new post, create new, and since I'm doing on the LinkedIn, so I am going to do it on Facebook as well. So I'm going to choose my account, Facebook and LinkedIn, and then I'm just write my post here as normal. So again, I'm going to use educational post first, and then another post, and then come back with educational post. So okay, I'm going to do this, converting. Okay, now I am just going to copy and paste from the ChatGPT. Okay, and then I will come back. Okay, need to open it. Okay, let's attach the image. I already doing day 1, day 2, day 3 and day 4, so just that's super easy. And just insert, and here you go, first post already done. And the good thing about this is actually tell you what you can choose, whether you want to post in the feed, reel or story. So at the moment I'm just keeping it as feed, and also photo will do. I don't need to post the photo as a PDF. And then so now I can actually schedule this one. I can choose to save for later, or I can schedule the post. So with this one, I will schedule the post. When you schedule the post, the good thing is you can actually see the best time to post. It will actually suggest you the best time to post. So it looks like for me, it's always like, I think it's because of the LinkedIn as well. It's always between 5 to 6 or 8 to 9. And it depends. So last week, like I already scheduled it for next week. Next week, I usually do 5 to 6. And now the following week, I'm going to try differently. I'm going to try it later, because now later in Australia, but it's actually in the morning in the US. So I'm going to try to do 8 to 9. And then next one already done, so I will start, because my last post was Friday, will be on Friday, so I am going to start on Monday. Okay, Monday, and then 8 to 9, and then I'll schedule post, and that's done, right? So it is really easy, and I can actually see the post in here, what I have scheduled. So I am going to do this for the next 4 posts.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
So voila, your 5-day post already completed. So you generated and also scheduled your 5-day post. So now you don't have to worry about what to post, whether you can post, whether you have time to post. It's already done, right? So again, there's so many ways that you can do social media posts. With the help of AI, you can actually do the automation. You can automate some of the things in this workflow. But however, as I said at the beginning, this is the basic one, at least to get you consistently post. So now you have achieved to post 5 days. Are you going to keep continuing? Let me know what you think. Let me know whether this actually helped you to schedule your social media posts. If you like what I shared today, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to see you in the next video.